Equal matrices. In this lecture, we will learn equal matrices. This is definition of equal matrices from here to here. Two matrices are said to be equal if they have the same order and corresponding elements are equal. If A and B are two equal matrices, we write A is equal to B. Now consider matrices A and B. We see that order of A is 2 by 2. And order of B is also 2 by 2. Their order is same. Now look at corresponding elements. We see that corresponding elements are also equal. So matrices A and B are two equal matrices. Here A is equal to B. Now see matrices C and D. We see that order of C is equal to 3 by 1, and order of D is also 3 by 1. Now look at corresponding elements. We see that corresponding elements are equal. So matrices C and D are also equal matrices. C is equal to D. Now we see some unequal matrices. See matrices A and B. Order of A is equal to 2 by 2, and order of B is also 2 by 2. Hence A and B are of same order. Now we see their corresponding elements. Look this element. We see that these corresponding elements are not equal. So matrices A and B are unequal matrices. Although their orders are same, but element in second row and first row are is not same. So matrices A and B are unequal matrices. We write A is not equal to B. Now see matrices C and D. Order of C 2 by 2, and order of D is 2 by 3. There are 2 rows and 3 columns in matrix D. Two by 3. Hence order of C is not equal to order of D. Order of D. Therefore matrices C and D are not equal matrices. So we write C is not equal to D. So at first we considered equal matrices. These were two pairs of equal matrices. And secondly considered unequal matrices. These were two pairs of unequal matrices. If you like this lecture, kindly share it with your friends. And if you are still new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon for notifications. Thank you.